This is Shenyang Lanying steel structure manufacturing base with over 20 years of experience in steel structure production. All raw materials are strictly inspected before entering production, ensuring compliance with international standards. Each component is checked for dimensional accuracy according to engineering drawings. Welding quality is inspected according to CSAW 59 AWS standards to ensure structural safety. Surface preparation reaches ISO 8501 SA to .5 standard for optimal coating adhesion. All weld joints are cleaned and prepared before surface treatment. Coating thickness is tested to meet project specifications, ensuring long-term corrosion resistance. Connection accuracy is verified to guarantee smooth installation on site. All components are labeled and packed for easy identification and fast installation. Optimized container loading ensures safe delivery and efficient unloading. From raw materials to final delivery, every step is under strict quality control. We are your reliable partner for steel structure solutions worldwide.